Me too. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Now, come on over here.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a lot of people that didn't see what happened.
Yeah.
It was a scary moment. It was a scary moment. So what happened is you were up here eating.
Yeah.
You had a lot of here. Step on up here. And a lot of tacos that were inside of your body.
Yeah.
You got a little bit too much.
Yeah.
And you actually were choking, and you were given a Heimlich Maneuver right over here on the side. How are you doing?
I'm doing a lot better now. That was actually the first time in my life that I needed the Heimlich.
First time in your life.
Yes.
That was scary. I saw your face, and I saw you saying, just tell me to get medical up here.
Yeah. Joking. You know.
So everything is good.
Well, I'm great now. Thank you very much.
You have a lot of food right over on that over here, huh?
I bet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We'll get a doggy bag.
Yeah.
Good to have you back
Thank
with
you.
us. You saw the white light, he didn't go.
Yeah.